In this video, we will finish the question answers and other exercises of lesson number 4, The Prodigal Son. Take out your English 2 copy and write down the word meaning of this lesson. Prodigal, wasteful, splendid, excellent, money lenders, people who lend money, drought, a period of dry weather that causes water shortage, wage, salary, worthy, deserving, bitter, full of anger. Open book, page number 37. Your A question is, number these sentences in the correct order. The correct order is 5, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 8, 10. Let me read out the correct sequence of sentences. A rich farmer had 2 sons. He gave half of his money to his younger son. The younger son said goodbye to his father and brother. In a foreign country, he spent his gold on clothes and presents. Spending so freely, his gold was soon gone. Unhappy, he tried to earn money to buy food. One day, he thought of his father who loved him. The young man set off for home. The father was overjoyed to see his son. He organized a feast to celebrate his son's return. B question, answer these questions. We will do in English 2 copy. What did the younger son ask his father to give him? Why? The younger son asked his father to give him his share of property because he wanted to go to a far off place and enjoy his life. Second question, how did the father respond and why? The father gave half of his money to his younger son because he didn't want him to be unhappy. Third question, what did the younger son do with all his riches? The younger son spent his riches lavishly and soon became penniless. Your fourth question, what did the father do when his son returned? The father welcomed his son happily and held a feast to celebrate his son's return. Fifth question, why did the elder son get angry with his father after his brother came home? The elder son got angry with his father because his father had never given him any money to celebrate with his friends and he was giving a feast on the return of his prodigal son. Sixth question, why did the elder son change his mind? The elder son changed his mind because he had understood the wisdom of his father's words. Book, page number 37, D question. A person who works on a farm is a farmer. What are these persons known as? A person who plays music, musician. A person who acts in plays, actor. A person who stitches clothes, tailor. A person who designs houses, an architect. A person who repairs cars, mechanic. A person who writes for a newspaper, columnist, a reporter, a journalist. Any one of it you can give me an exam. Your E question, complete the crossword using the clues. Wealthy means rich, not the same, different, filled with envy, jealous. At ease, comfortable, unclean, dirty, happiness, joy. F question, use a dictionary to find 2 meanings for each of these words. This one we will do in English 2 copy. Ring means a jewelry. It also means a round object with a hole. Bitter means a feeling of anger. It also means very cold. Beam means a line of light. It also means a long piece of wood, metal, etc. to support weight. Object means a material thing. It also means an aim or purpose. G question, tick the correct pronouns. Now what do you mean by pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. This book belongs to me. It is mine. Rizwan made this model. The hard work was all his. Ila and Rustam live here. This house is theirs. Theirs, Ila and Rustam's. The little white kitten belongs to Mary. It is hers. Mary's. Hers. My brother and I bought this toy. It is ours. Ours, my brother and I. Ours. Your H question, replace the underlined words with words from the box. Use them to fill in the blanks. This is the farmer's horse. The horse is his. This is my dog. The dog is mine. These are Farah and Sudeep's bags. The bags are theirs. This is our room. The room is ours. Is this your pen? Is this pen yours? That is Helen's bicycle. That bicycle is hers. With this, I finished the book exercises. Let's move to workbook. Students, open workbook page number 19. Your A question is match the people with the names of professions. A person who writes for a newspaper, journalist. Pays out money in a bank, cashier. A person who stitches clothes, tailor. A person who sells sweets and pastries, confectioner. A person who mends taps and pipes, plumber. A person who writes books, author. A person who attends to sick people, nurse. A person who acts in a plays and films, actor. A person who digs up old historical sites, archaeologist. B question, use the clues to complete the crossword. At ease means comfortable. To hug someone, embrace. Enjoying a day to show its importance, celebration. To pardon, forgive. To bring back someone or something, fetch. Your C question, page number 20. Use a dictionary to find two meanings for each of these words. Fair means quite good, also means treating people equally. Lie means a false statement. It also means to rest on flat surface. Tear means a droplet from eyes. It also means damage into pieces. Bow means to bend. It also means a weapon used for shooting arrows. Match means two similar people or things. It also means a small stick to light a fire. As I have finished your lesson number 4, let me do the summary of the day. I have read and explained lesson number 4, The Prodigal Son. I have completed book exercises A, B, D, E, F, G, H with word meanings. I have completed workbook lesson number 4, exercise A, B, C. Your home assignment is read the lesson, complete your book, workbook and copy work neatly and correctly. Learn the completed work. Pay attention to the spellings of all the words. That's all for today. Take good care of your physical and mental health. Thank you.